In this video, we will look at 8 common foods that contain natural poisons that can cause death or harm your health. According to the World Health Organization, certain natural toxins are formed in food as defense mechanisms to prevent plants from infestation and ingestion by animals. These natural toxins are a cause of many adverse health effects and can constitute potent health threats to both humans and livestock, with their adverse health effects known to include acute poisoning. Acute poisoning might range from allergic reactions to severe stomachache and diarrhea, and in severe cases, death. Their long-term health effects could affect body systems such as the immune, reproductive or nervous systems, and can also cause the development and growth of cancer cells. Thus, while these natural toxins are not harmful to plants, they are toxic when consumed by other creatures, including humans. Unfortunately, many common foods we do eat contain, to varying extents, certain natural toxins, which means they could be injurious to your health. Here are 8 common food items that contain natural poison or toxins. 1. Apple seeds. Apple is considered one of the most nutritious foods on the planet, and this explains why it is often said that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. However, despite what seems to be an impressive nutrient profile, apple seeds are not as healthy as the fruit itself, as it contains cyanide, a potent toxin capable of causing rapid breathing, seizures, and possibly death, even in small doses. Fortunately, apple seeds have a protective coating that keeps the cyanide from entering your system if you accidentally eat them, but you should avoid eating the seed to be on the safer side. 2. Elderberries. You may take elderberry as a syrup or supplement to boost your immune system and treat cold or flu symptoms or constipation. But eating unripe berries, bark, or leaves of elderberry may leave you feeling worse instead of better. They have both lectin and cyanide, 2 chemicals that can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. 3. Green potatoes. Potatoes are generally considered healthy and one of the best dietary sources of many essential nutrients. However, not all potatoes are good in this way, considering how the leaves, sprouts, and underground stems, tubers, of potatoes contain a toxic substance called glycoalkaloid. This toxic substance is known to make potatoes turn green when exposed to light and get damaged. Eating potatoes with a high glycoalkaloid content can cause nausea, diarrhea, confusion, headaches, and death. It is advisable to avoid eating potatoes with a greenish color. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to the channel if you are interested in health tips like this one, and share with your friends. Thank you. 4. Raw kidney beans. Bean is an important food crop and a major source of protein throughout the world. Consuming kidney beans is one of the best ways you can meet your body's mineral and vitamin requirements. However, kidney beans are usually eaten well cooked. Raw or improperly cooked kidney beans are toxic and should be avoided. Raw red kidney beans have the highest concentration of lectins, which are a toxin capable of causing stomach aches, making you feel nauseous or vomit, and giving you diarrhea. Only 4 to 5 raw kidney beans can cause these effects, thus consuming beans is best boiled before eating. 5. Cherry pits. Cherries have a small, hardened pit that surrounds their seed, also called a kernel. The kernels of cherry pits and other stone fruits contain the chemical amygdalin, which is converted into cyanide, which is poisonous. Avoid crunching or crushing cherry pits as you enjoy the fruits. 6. Raw cashews. Cashew nuts are one of the healthiest nuts on the planet, and their nutrient profile is quite impressive. But eating raw cashew nuts may be counterproductive to your health, as they contain a natural toxin called urushiol, which is removed from the shell during preparation. The urushiol toxin is the same as that found in poison ivy and can cause allergic reactions and even death if the allergic reactions are severe. 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are another quite healthy food item that needs to be watched. Certain varieties of wild mushrooms are particularly considered dangerous. These are the death cap, Amanita phalloides, and the destroying angel, Amanita virosa. According to Healthline, consuming these wild mushroom varieties can lead to abdominal pain, diarrhea and vomiting, dehydration, intense thirst, liver failure, coma, and death. Ensure to always soak your mushroom with hot water. Leave it for some minutes and sieve the water away before applying it to your pot. 8. Mangoes. According to Christine Mixtas of WebMD, just like raw cashews, the skin, bark, and leaves of mangoes contain urushiol, a natural toxin also found in poison ivy. If you are allergic to the toxin, you may experience a severe reaction with swelling and rash, and can even have problems breathing. And that's the end of this video. You can check on our page for more health tips like this one and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks.